What size munchie should you choose? This is a complicated question, even though it can be simple. We can just go on age because we're looking at the sizes and changes, the munchies, they change according to age. But then there's also the complex factors of what's going on with that orofacial function. So if you're working with a practitioner, they're going to be looking at what other factors may be influencing what size you need. Has that child had a tongue tie, for example? Have they been a thumb sucker? Have they used a pacifier? Have they got low oral motor tone or function? Are they special needs? There'll be various things in that early developmental phase that will be determining whether you start with a smaller size or when you're ready to move up. We always try to make the size you start with one that's manageable for your child. So if you're in a transition point, say between 4 and 5 years of age, where you could be in a mini munchie or you could be in a junior, which is the next size up, you'll be looking to see, have they got good, strong oral motor tone and function? Is everything working well? If they are, then they'll be ready for the next size up. They'll be ready for the junior in that age group. If they're a very small child, they've had tongue tie release early, they've had issues breastfeeding, they've had other signs, they're having speech therapy, they're dribbling, drooling, they've got various things that are telling you their oral motor function is not ideal, then you want to start with the mini, where they're going to find that easier to manage, and then they'll transition up to the junior. So we also have other areas of transition time, but it's really about working with your practitioner and talking about what's age appropriate. Once they're over the age of 6, if you're trying to achieve a certain outcome, it's going to be important you're working with a practitioner. If you have good function, if you're an adult, then that's the adult size. If you're a very small adult, you can use the smaller size, which is the tween, and that can be utilised by small adults. Some women who are small and their jaws are small and they're petite build, that can be really relevant for them all the way through their life. So which size munchie is right for me? Have a look at our guide, because there's a lot of information for each age group that will be relevant, and we've tried to put lots of guidance there for you.